Kelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get in touch with the people that are in your downline using our new tool that's available on the dashboard. So I'm going to go into the Builderall Business area, and I'm going to click that to see that Builderall Business menu, and I'm going to go down to Message Center. And when I click that, it brings up a really neat list of all the different categories of individuals I can send a message to that is within my business network. So I can choose to send a message to all leads, only the active leads, only the inactive leads. I can send a message to all the leads that are currently in test mode. I can send a message to all canceled leads, all Builderall business leads, ambassador level leads, and I can also choose to send a copy of whatever I create in the message center to me so I can see exactly what people are seeing that I send the message to. And then I can also search by a specific email or name. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. And it's really simple. So I'm going to just go ahead and email all my ambassadors. So when I click ambassadors, that area pops up right here. So I am sending to all of my ambassadors. I'm going to also click copy me, and that way not only are my ambassadors going to get it, but I will see exactly what I send. And that's really important that I do that if I can, because sometimes you send a message and it may not say exactly what you thought you were trying to say. And so you want to make sure to see it. So if there are any mistakes or you need to clarify, you can send them a message again. But do remember to try to use this very frugally, because if you use it all the time, people will start to ignore the message when they come in. So only use this when it's really important that you use it. So I'm going to enter a subject and a message. And once I've typed out my message, I can choose to enter a title for an action bar. So that's the bar that pops up. And if you want them to be able to click on that bar and go to a specific URL, you can enter that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put some information and allow them to click that bar to go to a specific place. So I put in the description and the URL of where I want them to go. So here's what I've done so far. I've clicked on ambassador leads and copy to me. So all of my ambassadors will get this message and I'll get a copy of this message. Then I put in a subject line of the message. I put in a message itself. Then I put in a description of what will happen if they click on this message bar. The next thing I want you to notice is it says I can contact using email, notification, or automatic translation. So if I check mark email, it will send this message to all of these individuals by email. If I choose notification, it will actually cause a pop-up to appear right here in the dashboard. And if I check mark automatic translation, it will take your information and translate to the language that your user uses using a Google Translate functionality. Now that I'm ready, I've got my message typed out, I've chosen who I want to send it to, and I've chosen all the ways that I want to contact them. The next step is to hit send. Now it tells me that I sent with success, and now you can see that my message popped up for me. And it gives me the message and it stays there, and it will stay there until I X out of it. If your person is not logged into the dashboard, they'll see it as soon as they log into the dashboard. So this is a great way to get their attention and give them some really important information. The next thing that you can do is when you click it, it will take them to the URL that you put in your message. So if they click that bar, it will go to whatever URL you put in the message. So that's the new message center that's available to you in your Builderall dashboard.